Hello students, in this video we are going to study how to add two octal numbers, that is octal addition. Okay, consider the example 567 in octal plus 325 in octal. So the method to add octal number is as in decimal number. That means each column is added together as in decimal number and convert the decimal sum to octal sum. Okay, then carry over to the next higher digit. That is 567 plus 325. Okay, so these two are added together. That means 7 plus 5. Here 7 and 5 are added together. 7 and 5 when you add together you will get 12 in decimal. Okay, this 12 in decimal is converted to octal by division method. When you divide 12 by 8 you will get 1/4. Okay, or otherwise you can find out the value as 12 minus 8. Subtract 8 from 12. Okay, when you subtract 8 from 12 you get 4. Then carry 1. That carry goes to the next higher bit. Then 6 plus 2 are added together. That is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus carry 1. We get 9 in decimal. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. That means the octal equivalent of 9 is 1 1. Okay, so 1 is in the second column and carry 1 goes to the next higher bit. Okay. Then 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. That means octal equivalent of 9 is 1 1. So 1 1, 1 4 is the answer of 567 plus 325. Okay, that means this is equal to 1114 in octal. Okay, consider another example 565.34 in octal plus 364.54. Okay, so here we add these two numbers, that is 565.34 plus 364.54. Okay, they are added together. We get first 4 and 4 are added together. 4 and 4 are added together. You will get 8. 8 is equal to 8 minus 8, 0. That means it is equal to 10 in octal. So 0 goes here. and 1 goes to the next higher bit. Okay, then next 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, that is octal equivalent of 9 is equal to 1. Then carry 1 goes to the next bit. Then 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, that means 10 in decimal is equivalent to 12 in octal. Okay, then carry goes to the next bit. Then 6 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 minus 2 is equal, 13 minus 8 is equal to 5, that means 13 in decimal is 15 in octal. Okay, so 5 goes here and 1 goes to the next bit. Then 5 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 in decimal is equal to 1 1 in octal. This is the answer, 1152.10. Okay, that is this is equal to 1110 in octal. Okay, so the procedure for adding octal number is, first octal addition is performed by decimal method, that means add the digits in each column in decimal and convert the sum to octal. Then record the octal sum term in that column and carry the carry term to the next column. Okay, so that is the procedure for adding the octal numbers. That's all about the octal addition. Thank you.